Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sharmila. I'm a pediatrician in Josna Hospital, Bangalore. Today I'm going to talk about coronavirus disease in children. Some important points for you to have an idea about the disease. It can present in different ways like high grade fever, dry cough, sore throat, breathing difficulty, chest discomfort, other things like vomiting, loose motion, red eyes, red swollen upper limbs, lower limbs, red swollen toes, and sometimes severe headache, seizures, sudden unconsciousness. Any of these can be a presentation of coronavirus disease. So when you notice these things, go to the doctor immediately so that they can take a call about the investigations and treatment. Sometimes there can be no symptom at all. It is called asymptomatic disease. When it happens, like one of your family members tested positive for coronavirus disease, the infection might have come from them, but still no symptoms in the children. Or some neighbor or relative who is having the disease, they might have visited your house. So when you get such news, though there are no symptoms in children, go to the doctor and get tested within 1 to 14 days. And how it is tested? There are antigen and antibody tests. Swabs are taken from the nose, from the throat, and there can be blood tests. And followed by treatment. How do they do the treatment? There are antiviral drugs and other medicines depending on how the presentation is, how the symptoms are, like aspirin, anticoagulant drugs, steroids. That depends how the presentation is, and duration of treatment depends on the severity. Prevention is always better than cure. As of now, we don't have a vaccine for the COVID. So till it comes, we have to follow our personal hygienic measures to prevent the disease, which you are already following. Implement it seriously, like hand wash frequently, using sanitizers, and to avoid going outside. But if you need to go, always follow social distancing, wear a mask always, and totally avoid crowded places. Follow these things. Don't be hesitant to go to the doctor thinking that there are corona patients in the hospital, so it is better to avoid. No, that is not a right idea. When the requirement is there, when the kids are sick, go to the doctor, get tested, and do the proper measures. Okay, take care and be healthy. Thank you.